All right, Nick's goal is to find a job that provides an income of at least $50,000 a year. He works at a furniture store that offers him $15,000 per year, plus a commission of 6% of his sales, to determine the Nick's total sales he will need to make at least 50 grand. So this seems like it comes from section 2 in this unit, right? And so it would say, well, I mean, what are the two things we're comparing here? We're looking at, I guess, well, we'll say it's comparing Nick's actual earnings, or how much he will actually earn. So dollars I'll put there. And we're comparing it with, I guess, kind of his goal, right? It said it was a goal, is how much he would like to make over the year. And however much he makes, we know his goal, he wants to be at least a certain amount, right? So whatever he makes, it needs to be greater than, but it could be equal to his goal, and he'd be fine. Well, how much is, and we'll get to the goal, I know you guys know what it is, but the actual amount, how much is he actually going to make? Well, he's going to make, what is it, what did they call it? I guess I'm going to call it his base salary, right? And that's that 15 grand. But in addition to that, he's going to make his commissions, right? Okay, well, how much does he make in his base salary? It's 15 grand. That it says right there. But then in addition to that, he makes 6% of his sales. So his commissions is 6%, which we need to show as a decimal. And when we multiply that by, we'll say X, because we don't know how much he needs to sell yet. And we'll define that up here. That's his sales amount, I guess. Money, earnings, whatever. This needs to be greater than or equal to his goal, which it already stated was that $50,000. And just like we did before in that 2.2, we can interpret this as we go, right? Well, if this is the inequality, would say go ahead and subtract 15,000 from both sides. Well, what does this do for the interpretation? Well, it's saying that we want to figure out how much he needs to make just from the commissions, right? Because we just subtracted out his base salary, which appears to be, in commissions, he needs to make $35,000. Well, he wants to make at least that. So it's eating that commissions part, which was 6% of his sales, X. And then finally, to finish this one off, you divide both sides by 0.06, that's 6%. And by the way, I turned this into a decimal. You could use the percent button on the calculator. Let me see if I can find that for you guys. It's like if you wanted 6%, you'd do, oh, I gotta clear that garbage. Clear that. Okay, so it's second, and then it's that left parentheses right there. That'll give you the percent right there. So 6%, right? If you push 6, second, that left parentheses just above the 8, and push enter, then it'll change that into a decimal for you. I know you guys probably don't need that, but it is a good resource if you need it. If you do need it, okay? So 35,000, we'll put that in the calculator, divided by 6%. I'll just put the decimal in, and this gives us that big number right there. 58,000. No, $583,333. Make sure I wrote that right. Yeah, that's good. And also 33 cents. Now again, that's his sales amount, right? So how much does he have to make in sales? At least $583,000. $583,333.33. I'll write it down. He must sell at least $, there we go, 583, 333, and 33 cents. That's rounded, of course. Now, if you said, well, if you rounded that down, then he wouldn't really make it, right? Which is true, but you know that's a little bit more nitpicky than I want to be on this one. So if you said 34 cents instead of 33, that's fine, you guys. That's good. But that would be the final answer on that. And you could have reworded that. You could have said he could sell $583,333.33 or more. It means exactly the same thing.